All right, today I'm going to show you how to make barcodes for a list of unique IDs. In this case, these are unique IDs for seed from crosses. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Breedbase and go to lists. And then I'm going to create a new list. I'm going to just call them cross ID 2022. Okay, so then I create the list, and then I search for that list I just created, click on that list, and then I have to paste in those cross IDs. And what I do for cross IDs is I create a code for every cross, seed from every cross, and it's a certain code. It's WWX1, that means winter wheat crossing block 1, and then .22 for year 22, and .001 for the first cross, and then 002 for the second, and so on. So I have this in my Excel sheet over here on the right of the screen, and then I copy it, and then I'm going to paste it to make the list, to add the list items here. Okay, copy, and then over here, paste. And then I'm going to do add. Now I don't validate it because these are new, so they're not in the database at this point. So I'm just going to do close. And I have to remember my list name, cross ID 2022. So I'm just going to close. I have to remember the name. And then close again. And then next thing I do is I have to go to manage and then barcodes. And then I go to design custom barcode. And then for the data source, I use the list that I just created. Okay. And I already kind of forgot cross ID 2022. Here it is. Now I do label for every list item. That's really the only option that I've given. And then I hit next. And then new format. If you have a saved format, you could click that. Then for the page format, I use US letter PDF. For the label format, I do those 1 by 2 and 5/8. That's the address label size. And then I hit next. And I can add the barcode. So I'm going to make a 2D barcode and then add the field. I have to select the field, and I'll say list item name. The list item ID is just a number that the database assigns, but I want to have the name, which is what I pasted on the list, and add. And then I also want text of that same thing. So now I have the text and the barcode right there. And I can make it a little bit bigger if I want to. And then I can do next. And download PDF. So that downloads. Okay, so then I go to my downloads and I can do open it with preview. And here are all the barcodes for those IDs that I got from my list. And you can do this for any text at all that you want to make barcodes for. All right, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.